give you guys gold right here.
Everything big and my NY girls. Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating.
I always get the question on how am I affording my life? How do I afford to travel as often as I do and all that? I always give them the answer and they don't believe me. It's either they can't do it, they don't believe it can be done, or they just think I'm lying. I don't know. But I'm gonna give you some tips. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. Maybe I'll call it like being financial literate or saving money. Well, saving money, you can't make money by saving money. And also, I don't know. I don't know what it is about people when they see, like, especially, don't believe everything you see on social media, but what they see on social media, my vlogs and all that, they always like, how am I doing this? And they don't think that me and my mom's business is possible, that me and my mom's business is doing well as well. It's a lot. I'm just gonna ignore all of that negative comments. Well, it's not even negative, it's them questioning it, but they never believe me when I say what I do. And I'm gonna give you some tips on how I afford my life. Apparently it's so funny, but I do want to say this: traveling, it can be affordable if you do it the right way. I should do a separate video on how I travel because people are so shook. And the thing is, I haven't been that many places. Last year, 2023, I didn't even go that many places. I wanted to go more, so hopefully 2024 I am blessed with the opportunity to go to more places. All right, so you know what, let me just jump into this video. It's gonna be real quick. Every time I do my tutorials, I go straight to the point. And the thing that helped me go on trips and shopping and all that is a credit card. I know when I was younger, everyone was saying, don't get a credit card, it must be a credit. Don't get a credit, so it must be a credit, blah, blah, blah. Actually, it can mess up your credit if you don't pay your bills and all that. But credit cards help build credit. Also, it's so much benefits from using your card. Do not use a debit card. Like, you don't get any benefits from using your debit card. If you use everything on your credit, you get points, you get rewards. And on the credit card that I have, they give a list of places you can go. I think every card probably does this, but on my credit card, they have this all the way at the bottom. It has this little section where you get extra points if you go to a place, right? So for instance, if I go to the gas station, I'll get 3.5% back. That is money. You know what I mean? It don't sound like a lot, but it does add up. And also they have one for the grocery store. So every time I know I'm about to go somewhere, I'll check that first and add that to get those extra money back. If I use my debit card, I'm not gonna get anything back. So that's basically the first step. Get a credit card. When you get a credit card, don't use more than 50%, but I'm a little above my little limit. It's fine. We're gonna work it out. God's plans. Next step is to save money. Well, like I said earlier, saving money doesn't make you money, but if you have a high yielding savings account, it does. I found out about high yielding savings account and I'm so upset that I just found out about it. I found out about it, what, like 2 years ago? Basically, the bank is giving you money, basically. Long story short. So if you put money into this high yielding savings account, don't touch it. I think you can for emergencies, you got like 3 emergencies you can pull from it a month. But you put money in this account and then the bank gives percentage back. The one that I have gives me 4.5% back. So basically it's extra money into my account and I love it. I love it. Literally give you guys gold right here. So my high yielding savings account, like at the end of the year, especially if I know I'm about to go somewhere, I use the money that the bank puts in, which is, like I said, they give 4.5%. That money they give me, I use that money for my trips. see If you don't have a high yielding savings account now, create one literally right now. They don't even charge a fee, y'all. There's no fees. While we talking about trips, let me just bring this up. But I'm gonna do a separate video on how to travel on a budget, but I'm gonna talk about this right now real quick. And I'm thinking, like, why is everybody tripping about me traveling? I'm thinking maybe because I just came back from vacation. If you haven't seen those travel vlogs, go check it out. I'll have it somewhere on the screen or somewhere you can check it out. So for instance, if you want to go somewhere this summer, it's January right now, this is the perfect time to start planning and paying for your trip. That's what I do. Basically, I just put money on the trip now. So for instance, if I want to go anywhere on the map, anywhere, go out the country, whatever, I just pick the time, the date, the time of day, the location you want to go, how long you want to go, and all that. You plan that out, and then you see how much money do you need for that trip, and then you start saving for that. That's basically what I do when I'm going on vacation. And I don't know why people, like, it's so shook when I say that. They don't believe me, but literally, that's literally what I do. And you guys know I'm still in grad school and I do work, so I make stuff happen. Alright, let's go to the next tip, which is to invest. I'm not that good at investing. I'm not even gonna lie, I just pick random tickers and I put money on it. I'm being honest. So I really need to invest a little bit more, but literally that's all I do for stocks. I just have some that I have money on and I just don't touch it. So that's basically it. It's been working. But mind you, I don't really touch money from there. So I don't really touch money from, yeah, I really don't touch money from there. Now let's talk about the final tip. And is, of course, you need to make more money. You have to make money. Mind you, millionaires have about 7 sources of income. Keep that in the back of your mind. Me and my mom are a hustler. We have a business, we have a marketplace. Also, we do a lot. And we also have an event coming up where I'm bartending. I'm blogging it, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. But you need to make money. So you need to make more money. If you're working at a regular job, a 9 to 5, make sure you keep that job and you're stacking away. So each check, save about $200 or something. Save something. Put something away from that check and then pay your bills and all that. And if you have debt, make sure you pay that as well. So you have to keep a job. Even if you want to have a lavish lifestyle, you need some kind of source of income. Now, let's talk about how to maximize that, as in starting a business, a small e-commerce business, reselling. William, he does not want me to be great, y'all. So, okay, basically start a business. It costs a lot of money to start a business, but do something else to help generate cash, because one source of income is not going to make it. Especially if you live out here in California, it's so expensive. You cannot make it off of one source of income. I'm just saying. Well, you know what, let me take that back. I'm saying personally, I cannot make it off of one source of income. But like I said, me and my mom have a lot of small businesses that we own as well. So we making money. We're making money, you know what I mean, here and there. So like I said, consider starting a business. I know a lot of people say when you start a business, you have to wait, see where there's a gap. No, we don't do that. I don't care. There's no competition. There's no competition nowhere. If you see something that you want to start selling, like for instance, you want to sell clothes, do it. And it's so crazy. I'm gonna say about this clothes. I was dating this guy a while back before. This is when me and mom just started the business, and I was telling him, and he called me basic for doing that. He did, for selling clothes, because it was so popular at that time. But anyway, do it. Just do it. You never know, you might sell out. Also, social media. Now, I do get paid off of social media, but I don't get paid. I get paid literally change. But that stuff adds up. You know what I mean? Especially on TikTok, like that stuff adds up. And I'm doing something I already like doing anyway, so I just post it. And plus, I do like TikTok. TikTok is like one of my favorite social media platforms to post on. But like I said, you do get paid off of the view. So could create you a TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to create you a page, a channel. You never know, you might go viral, and that money helps as well. I give you guys all the tips that I do to make money, save money, and all that to fund my lifestyle. And I'm still in disbelief how a lot of people do not believe me when I tell them what I do. And I really feel like they think that we can't make it. You know what I mean? Like, I have to have a sugar daddy, I have to do this. I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm just, mind you, I'm just speculating. And I can see, no, I can't see why they don't believe me. I can't. But yeah, anyway, I'm just laughing about it because it's hilarious. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was short, like I said earlier. All my tutorials go straight to the point. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.